And all I feel is blue. Black.
Hello guys and welcome back to Execute Codes. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can use Jlabel and Jbutton controls in Java NetBeans IDE. So in my previous video I told you that I am now going to show you some GUI programming. So let's begin with our video. So now first you need to open your NetBeans IDE. You can see I have already opened it. So now after opening it you need to go to file. After going to file you need to go to new project. So go to new project, then you need to choose your project. So from here select Java and select Java application and then click on next. After clicking on next you need to give a project name. So I will give my project name as, for example, YouTube tutorial. Yeah, so I have given my project name as YouTube tutorial, and you need to deselect this one because we are going to work with GUI or means JFrame form. So you need to deselect this and click on finish. So now a new project will be created, and then you need to go to source package and default package. Then you need to select default package and right click and go to new and go to JFrame form. After going here you need to give that last name. So I will give that last name as, for example 1. And then you need to project YouTube tutorial location source packages, and you can see the creative file where it has been created. So it has been created in the documents folder, and then click on finish. Then after clicking on finish you will get this design tab here, and you will also get a palette window where you will have so many options given here. So now this is your JFrame, and now you can add swing controls and swing containers into this JFrame form. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Jlabel and Jbutton controls. So first I will select Jlabel and I will just paste it here. And I will just resize it. And then I will select the OK button, which is the J button, and I will also resize this. You can resize by clicking these arrows, and I will bring this in the center. Resize this, or okay, let it be like this, and I will bring this in the center. So this is so I have used now Jlabel and a Jbutton. So now you need to write the code. So to write the code, we will write the code for only Jbutton. So I'm going to show you a simple example for Jbutton. So just follow my steps and write the code. So just select your Jbutton, do right click, then go to events, action, and go to action performed. Here you will come on a page in the source tab, and you will see private void Jbutton1 action performed, and you will see to do add your handling code here. So go to here and just press enter. So in this video I am going to show you how to use the setText method. So it is so in Java there are so many types of methods. So this is the first simple method, which is the setText method. So to use this, first you need to find your wait, I'll just scroll down and find my yeah. So you can see I have Jlabel1. So I'll just copy this Jlabel1 and I will paste it here. So now Jlabel1 dot set text Jlabel1 dot set text. For example, you can set any text. For example, I will set hello world. I'll just press one semicolon. So you can see I have now used and this method which is .setText. So now what will happen now? So when you will click on this J button, then you will see that the Jlabel text will change to hello world. So now you will using the .setText. So what does this method do? It just changes the text into hello world. So now let's see this. First we need to save this file. So just press Ctrl+S on your keyboard to save it, and you can just go and click on this green triangle button to run it. So when you run, project do not have main class set. Okay, just click on OK. It will make update class and it will now showing that it is running now. So here you can see Jlabel 1 and Jbutton. So as per I click Jbutton 1, you will see that the text has been changed to hello world. So this is a simple program to use the .setText method. So it is very simple to use and it's easy for beginners also to understand. So now what's the agenda for this? Now what is happening here? So nothing. So the code is like this. When you click on Jbutton 1, so the Jlabel text, it gets set to hello world. So the .setText changes the Jlabel to hello world and it changes the text also. So using this code, you can also make something like when you click on, for example, hello, so it will also show you hello. When you click on bye, then he will say you bye buddy, and you can use like these type of codes. So this much only for today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also watch my other videos too. Also watch my how to download and install NetBeans ID. If you don't know how to download and install it, you can watch my previous videos also, and also watch my computer and tricks videos also. Thank you. Bye bye.